It is not unusual to discover someone pretending to be something far different from what his public image makes us believe him to be, but as it turns out, MrBeast is not fooling anyone. Inspired by the Lex Fridman's interview with MrBeast, I felt intrigued to examine his numerological chart and dive into his personal vibrations that could be the key behind his outstanding success. The vibrations in his numeroscope confirm him to be incredibly, obsessively motivated, driven only by what he finds fun and meaningful, with a deep heart's desire to contribute in bettering the world through his unique content and outstanding philanthropy. It's true what he says, to him, riches don't matter, fame doesn't matter, only creating fun and inspiring content does, and as he grows older and his riches grow larger, the bettering the world part will increase dramatically. Jimmy Donaldson, known worldwide as MrBeast, is the #1 YouTuber in the world, the highest paid and highest subscribed individual of all time. The now 24-year-old, an epitome of passion and obsessive focus, also carries the title of YouTube's biggest philanthropist. Anyone who follows him knows that he has devoted half his life to being a YouTuber. He has been making videos since he was 11, with many years of no success. His videos got, using his words, from horrible to a bit less horrible and on to a great, expanding success. This right here is a great example of the 21-3 vibration that resonates in Jimmy's brand, MrBeast. 21-3 is also the number of the core of his desires. This is one of the strongest numbers of triumph, providing a complete breakthrough, unstoppable success, a strategic genius and great determination. It is a number of advancement, honor, elevation and victory after a long initiation and tests of determination. Once a person cracks its code, he or she gains ultimate success that lasts his or her entire lifetime. His birthday vibration is 7, which gives him a profound depth of personality, the ability to observe, analyze, and an innate sense of spirituality. The energy of Neptune is strongly connected with seeing all people as equal and is high above prejudice, carrying love for all beings and nationalities. If anyone, then number 7 is the one not bothered with money and fame. It is about something much deeper and non-material. Being completely appalled by tedious tasks, number 7 will always look for adventure, creativity, and skill. Neptune is full of raging storms on the surface, but its inside is still and quiet. In the same way, Jimmy appears individualistic, overly anxious and obsessively in his mind, but hidden within is an ocean of profound wisdom and tranquility. The sevens carry the potential to fully develop extraordinary capabilities. They are often artists, musicians, scientists, and can be extremely profound and intensely dedicated to their field. With the vibration 16-7 in Jimmy's psychic self, we gain a bit of insight into his tendency not to cling on to anything in the physical world. He is known to put all the income back into making new videos. He doesn't care about expensive cars and luxurious homes. Seems like at his young age of 24, he has already mastered one of the most profound lessons in life, that nothing worldly lasts forever. With the number 39 in his birth chart, Jimmy is predestined for success. This vibration is actually called the boss, which is a number of great strength and the ability to synthesize knowledge into power. It was activated in his early childhood years. In combination with the 79 vibration, known as the scientist, that activated in his teenage years, his ability to analyze and understand the underlying truths further awakened his analytical mind. In his 20s, MrBeast entered the 33 vibration, which provided him with ability to transform lower emotions into a more loving, compassionate energy. 33 is all about order and structure. It is about setting goals and achieving them. It defines a strongly charismatic speaker, provides high levels of energy, a brilliantly strategic mind and inspiring work ethics. The adult potential will awaken when Jimmy is 28 years old. In astrology, this period is called the Saturn return. It usually comes with a kind of crisis, a time when we need to integrate and assimilate everything we have learned to find a deeper and more profound fundament of our being. The vibration of MrBeast's adult potential is perhaps not surprisingly the number 73, a vibration called the secret millionaire. This vibration will enhance Jimmy's need to create ingenious and innovative solutions to benefit the world with the wealth it brings to him remaining unnoticed. It will be a time of great leadership potential filled with strength and all the elements of a genius, but there could be a strong need to withdraw from the limelight and spend less time surrounded by people. The 73 vibration often goes hand in hand with a stronger need for privacy. His vocation in life is strongly influenced by his big heart desire number 17-8, the star. The big heart desire number is one of the most significant factors in our chart. It is the voice of our soul, expressing itself through our emotions and desires. The vibration 17-8 resonating in his deepest self is manifested as a need to contribute to peace, universality, and archetypal art. It is of no surprise to learn that this is a vibration of stardom. It comes with a celebrity vibe and a unique charm, excellent learning ability, and high intellect. The little heart desire number tells us how our soul wishes to express itself on a day-to-day basis and provides insight into the daily actions we should undertake to support the big heart's desire in the long run. Jimmy's little heart desire resonates with the number 8, the advisor, which gives him the ability to balance opposing energies and judge any situation wisely, but most importantly, it brings a strong personality, an amazing focus, and ambition. This vibration significantly strengthens Jimmy's ability to plan everything in his mind long before executing a project in real life. Since 8 is the number of Saturn and a vibration of karma, it always comes with some difficulties and obstacles in life, but through these challenges one develops enormous perseverance to overcome anything. The 8 also brings uniqueness and a kind of eccentricity, as it follows its chosen path no matter the opinions of others. 8's highest purpose is to follow one's passion. Jimmy's essential key to unlocking all the other energies in the chart is 25, which stands for following his passion and using creativity to develop a profound mastery, but always through a playful and spiritual attitude towards life. The downside of 25 is being prone to taking on too much responsibility, which is a way of doing and being that usually develops in childhood. The 25 vibration usually revisits in adulthood so its carrier can enjoy and live the childhood they maybe never had. His big personality number, which tells us what he deeply aspires to become in the long run and also how the world will see him in the end, is the master number 33. When balanced, great strategic thinker, hardworking, structured, charismatic, intelligent, and career-minded, driven by high values and strong ethics. When making a deal, he wants to make it good for both sides. He tends to plan at least a whole week ahead, even when it comes to time with his family. 33 is all about order, structure, making plans and achieving goals. That is why when unbalanced he can behave as superior to others, is stubborn, works to a point of exhaustion, and can be too hard on himself. The 33 people tend to have high expectations and demand a specific level of standard from their colleagues and friends. Their strategic mind is extraordinary and they tend to be at least 10 steps ahead of others at any given time. While the big personality number shows us what we aspire to become, the little personality number tells us where we are here and now. Jimmy's vibrates with 15-6. When balanced, it provides extreme charisma, a great stage performance, strong artistic skills, the ability to inspire, being loved by many and adored by the masses. When unbalanced, one can be what we call a control freak, can be afflicted with incurable or rare diseases. Jimmy suffers from Crohn's, and can be quite hot-headed. 15-6 is an occult number and a vibration of the most mesmerizing people. When balanced, it enables one to manipulate reality and inspire the best in others. The 15-6 knows exactly how to behave in order to be perceived the way they want in the public eye. The same goes for the field of branding. They know exactly what to do and what to avoid to gain the desired position in the market. There are quite a few interviews with Jimmy where he talks about cloning himself, finding an obsessively motivated hard worker who then spends as much time with him as possible, thus learning everything there is to know about Jimmy, how he would talk, how to think like him, to integrate his way of thinking to a point where the person can decide on anything as Jimmy would. A perfect example of a strong 15-6. As this vibration is incredibly powerful and magical, it naturally becomes the one in charge, and spontaneously gains a strong influence over others. People who spend a lot of time with a person of a dominant 15-6 vibration will tend to agree more and more with his or her opinions. They will even start to become more and more like the person represented by this number. That is because this vibration is a power capable of transforming other people and effortlessly getting them to agree with their points of view. Their charisma and presence are just so strong. MrBeast's birth name is a challenging combination of 11-2 and 39-3. Jimmy, 11 is a soft, gentle vibration of a selfless, supportive behavior, but when unbalanced, it can create indecision and a tendency to soothe oneself through unhealthy means and withdrawal. The surname Donaldson carries the 39 vibration that gives enormous strength, authority, courage, willpower, and ability to synthesize knowledge, but when unbalanced, one can appear too bossy while at the same time feeling like a victim on the inside. The gods of destiny must have been on Jimmy's side when the name generator offered MrBeast, 21, the number of great success, and he decided to use it for his channel. The digit sum of both his birth names adds up to 5, which is the number of Mercury and great communication skills. The 5 brings spontaneity, a quick mind, amazing abilities of multitasking, and excellent networking skills. The 5 quickly attains new friends and sees everyone as equal. It gives a warm and welcoming personality and thrives in exciting social life with countless adventures and fast changes. 5 is a vibration of alchemy, giving an ability to understand complex concepts quickly and to express these ideas in ways that are easy to grasp, easy to brand, and easy to sell. Jimmy's public persona is governed by the 9 vibration, which gives him willingness to fight for a better world. 9 is an exemplary humanist and a natural-born leader with a compassionate heart. It repeats in his 72 vibration, the frequency of compassion and love for community. This has been an interesting exploration for me and I hope for you too. MrBeast is truly one of a kind and what he has in store in the coming years, we can't wait to see. May his desire to leave a beneficial impact on the world be an inspiration to many. Until next time, Godspeed and countless blessings your way.